In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your video to music in Canva with Beat Sync and export as MP4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your project, align your visuals to the rhythm of your audio, preview it smoothly, and export a clean final file. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account so your project saves automatically. From the home page, choose Create a Design, then select Video in the 1920 by 1080 size. That Full HD canvas gives you a standard, crisp frame that's perfect for social platforms and presentations. Next, upload your audio track. You can drag the file straight into Canva's Uploads panel, then drop it onto the timeline at the bottom. Placing the audio first is helpful because it becomes the backbone of your edit. The beat structure will guide how your clips are arranged, so choose the track you plan to use in your final video. If you swap it later, you may need to resync. Now add your video clips or visual elements to the timeline. You can bring in recorded footage, stock video, or even photos and graphics if you're building a montage. Arrange them roughly in the order you want. Don't worry about perfect timing yet. You'll refine that with syncing and small adjustments. Click on the music or audio track to reveal Beat Sync. Select Beat Sync to let Canva analyze your song's rhythm. This feature automatically adjusts the timing of your clips or elements so their cuts line up with the beats in the audio. It's especially useful for highlight reels, social edits, and any content where punchy transitions make a difference. Once the sync completes, preview your project. Click play and watch how the visuals jump from clip to clip in time with the music. Pay attention to the first and last cuts, and make sure key moments align with stronger beats for maximum impact. If something feels off, make manual tweaks. Grab the edges of any clip on the timeline to extend or trim its duration. Keep an eye on the overall flow and avoid tiny gaps between clips that can create a black frame. If a clip's important moment isn't landing on a beat, nudge its start slightly until it clicks. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4. MP4 is a widely compatible format that preserves quality while keeping file sizes manageable. Use the recommended settings unless you have a specific requirement, and include audio in the export. That's it. You've synced your video to music with Canva's Beat Sync and exported a polished MP4 ready to share.